Well folks, welcome back to another video. We are out here on an afternoon hunt. We really didn't expect much from this. We were just coming out really to scout and see if this place had water because we haven't hunted it this year. And talked to a guy who's been sitting in this pond all morning, said he saw one duck. And so came out here, and within 5 minutes of setting up, like I was still grabbing my shells and getting everything situated, this bird came over and I dumped it. So didn't get the GoPro shot, but I'll get the rest for you. Let's see what it is. Well, what do we got?
Ringneck drake.
Ringneck drake. It has been a long time since I shot one of these. That's awesome. Sweet, first bird of the day. It's about 1 p.m. Let's see how many more we can get. JP just shot another one while my GoPro was glitching out. We've been here like 7 minutes. I'll try and get the rest on camera, I promise. What is it?
That looks like a scout.
Oh, sick. Oh, this duck might circle.
Yeah, is that a scout?
Yeah, that's a, I think that's a, yeah, that's a bluebill.
Bluebill?
Same thing.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, we got one out there coming in. Got him. 3 ducks. All these ducks are coming in, and I'm right in the middle of the spread. Little ringneck hen. I will take it. There's a spot back there that they like. Quack, quack, quack.
I'd kill him.
Not too far. Should have let him work.
I thought I saw him break, my bad.
You're good. It happens.
I thought I saw him break.
They might come back. It looks like I got in a fight with some cattails. Mostly because I did. Got us a new hole in here. We were right off that point over there where you can see JP picking up our decoys. But most of the birds were starting to land about 70 yards over here. So, and we figured, all right, time to move over. Well, we don't have any birds flying. We got exactly 2 hours till shoot time's over. Let's hope we get a couple more groups.
Goodbye. What the? Dude, there's no way I didn't hit him. There's not a snowball's chance in hell I didn't hit him.
He started to go down, I think.
I mean, he's yours. You got him.
Okay. Please don't start flying away, mister. I don't want to walk anymore. There's a little tiny sucker. Pretty, but tiny. Call the shot.
Go.
Nice shooting. Boom!
Nice shooting.
Alright, he's in the grass. Where'd mine go?
He landed right in front of me, like right in. He's like right in here. Nice shooting though, dude. They coming back? It'd be pretty silly to do that. Phenomenal. That was great. They did it perfect. Swung right over the blind. JP called it at a great time, and we got him. What a day. What an afternoon. It's not even a full day. sucker landed just about a foot or two back in these cattails. See if we can find it. Ringneck drake. It's a drakey kind of day. Was yours a ringneck drake?
Yep.
Beautiful, beautiful day. Let's get some more. All right, here's our update on birds after like an hour and a half in. I've got 3 drakes and a hen ringneck. And he's got a hen scaup and a drake ringneck. Freaking awesome, dude. Got that one. Did it land?
What is up with my truck and not doing it?
That was a long shot.
Yeah.
That was a long shot.
All right, go get him.
Bird! Dead bird! Back! Oh boy, I get to hike all the way across again. What do we have here? What's going on with her head? Is that normal? I don't think that's normal. Look at the white in it. What the heck? Dude, I think I got a funky bird. Its head is like speckled white. I mean, it's a hen ringneck. It's a hen ringneck, but it's got something funky with its head. All right, we got about a half hour till shooting time's over. And this last duck I shot, I don't know, it looks weird. I mean, I think it's a hen ringneck, and I think that's a hen ringneck. And you look at those heads, it's like super white and almost green. It could just be an immature bird, I don't know, but that looks pretty funky to me. That looks, the rest of them's plumed out. I don't know. Ask a taxidermist and then just keep it in the freezer for now. Pretty cool nonetheless. Still got 3 minutes. Kill him.
Go. Got to.
Nice. I whiffed. Good freaking shooting, man. Good freaking shooting. I was sure hoping you got that last one.
Yeah.
So what are you at, 6?
Yep.
I whiffed hardcore. Well, that's shoot time. Last minute birds. All right, let's blow this popsicle stand.